Low corruption. According to transparency.org, Finland has the best score in the world for perceived corruption. And in my honest opinion, if you want to, for example, deal with the public sector, you need to get a new passport or you need to do something with the police or whatever, you can pretty much always trust that the system works and no one tries to screw you in the process. However, there's one thing I wish was done a little bit better, and that is the allocation and the use of public money. Because Finland is highly in debt and there's no proper plan to reduce that. The state debt of Finland is a face-melting 138.6 billion euros at the time of recording this video. And there is this funny website where you can see how fast the debt is increasing. And that is actually not the official true number, but it's an estimate based on real data that the officials have provided. So it's kind of cool. And the number below is the share of each Finnish resident.